Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my first ever ERIN CONDREN planner. I'm so excited. I've never had one before and I've been wanting one for so long, and I finally just made the splurge and I'm super excited to start planning out my months and budgets and everything. So yeah, let's just open it up. Obviously I already opened it because I just could not wait, but yeah, I'm just going to show you what I got. So this obviously came on top. It looks like it's a postcard, and this is like a nice little sticker, I assume. I don't really know. And then these are, yep, here's my thanks for your first order. And these are just like to and from stickers to put on like presents and stuff, I'm pretty sure. That's really cute. And then this is like a happy birthday sticker. Even more. Okay, so let's get into it. Sorry, my desk is a mess. My tripod is on its last leg, and this is like the only position I could put it on without messing it up. So, the first thing I ordered were these markers. Every planner person that I watch, they have all of these markers, and I decided to get these because they all have them, and it looks really cute, and I honestly cannot wait. I was about to get like different packs, but I just decided since they had like a little sale to get the 3 packs. So yeah, I got the ocean one, the sunrise. I'm so excited to use these 2 colors. They're so pretty. And then twilight. So, and this is the planner. It is so beautiful. I did not know what I wanted. I went through like 4 different planners before I picked this one. I just think it's so cute and fresh, and yeah, I'm super excited. I got it from, this is the deluxe monthly planner. Has the 2 quotes. And this goes from July to June, I think. And then I wanted to get this with the extra pages just because for my normal planners that I get at like Target, I only use the monthly planners, the monthly part. So I just thought I should get this. And I love all of the lined paper that comes with after every month, so I can put like my debit tracker and all that. So this is the little planner. This is so weird. It's not as big as I thought it would be. I don't know, I thought it would be fuller, but this is what I got. I like it, and I cannot wait to start decorating. So now I'm just starting my weekly check-ins. I want to start doing this so I can see how much I spend on food, gas, shopping, and unbudgeted every week. I think this will help me out to see how much I just spend and hopefully help me stop. I am adding 5 weeks because there are 5 Mondays, and I get paid 3 times this month. So yeah, that's what I am doing. And then at the bottom, I am just adding one goal that I want to do, which is save $50. So yeah.
Let's go. Here we go now. Batman scoop on the mic. Mix in the mix on the wheels.